today's oath-taking ceremony for Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu. Amid the Naidu family's heartwarming moments, one particular exchange caught everyone's attention. Let's take a look at this video.
మరొక మాట గుర్తు చేసుకుంటే మన ప్రధాని ఇచ్చినటువంటి పిలుపులు మీకు తెలుసు కదా. నరేంద్ర మోదీ గారు ఎప్పుడు చెప్తారు, స్వచ్ఛ భారత్, ఆత్మనిర్భర్, బేటీ బచావో బేటీ పడావో.
Now this video featuring senior BJP leader and Union Home Minister Amit Shah sternly gesturing at former Telangana Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan has gone viral, sparking widespread speculation. The clip shows Soundararajan greeting former Vice President Venkaiah Naidu and Amit Shah. Now as she walks past, Shah calls her back and engages in an animated conversation, visibly agitated and gesticulating with his fingers. Just as Tamilisai walks on the stage, you can see how she thought that this would be a regular meet and greet. But then she gets called back by Amit Shah into a rather intense conversation. Many speculate that Shah's reaction was prompted by Soundararajan's recent remarks about the BJP's Tamil Nadu unit. She had criticized the inclusion of anti-social elements into the party, indirectly targeting Tamil Nadu State BJP President K. Annamalai. This comes amid ongoing tensions following their recent electoral defeats in Tamil Nadu, with supporters from both camps publicly clashing. AIADMK leader and former State Minister SP Velumani squarely blamed Annamalai for the party's split with the BJP ahead of the high-stake polls. Tamilisai, who fought and lost the Chennai South seat, also endorsed the view that the BJP AIADMK front could have won up to 35 seats if the alliance had continued. Soundararajan's followers had blamed Annamalai for the poor performance of the party, while his supporters claimed that the vote share increased, criticizing Soundararajan for disclosing internal issues openly in public. Let us now connect with Shilpa Nair, who has covered Tamil Nadu politics intensively in the last few months. So Shilpa, in the event today, we can see Amit Shah aggressively gesturing towards Tamilisai Soundararajan, and it seems like they are in an intense discussion. So, is it for openly kind of questioning the leadership of Annamalai? A few days ago, she made a comment about the state of Tamil Nadu BJP. So, is it because of that? What do you have to say about that?
One cannot be very sure of what exactly that conversation was all about, because obviously there was no audio, but the body language definitely suggested, or at least it looked like the Union Home Minister Amit Shah was rebuking Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, very senior leader of the BJP here in Tamil Nadu. And this, of course, happened on stage when both of them were attending the swearing-in ceremony of Chandrababu Naidu in Andhra Pradesh while he was taking oath. This particular clip has now gone viral on social media platforms, and everyone has a theory about what that conversation was all about. But more than what exactly the conversation is all about, we should also understand the context in which this has happened, and that is the reason why this video clip has gone viral. Remember, ever since the election results have come out, things are not well within the Tamil Nadu BJP unit. Several leaders directly and indirectly have been questioning the leadership of K. Annamalai, the state president, his decision to snap ties with the AIADMK ahead of the elections as well. And we are seeing a massive war of words breaking out between supporters of Annamalai and Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, especially on social media platforms. It of course started with Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan suggesting that, had the AIADMK and the BJP fought this election together, then they would have won several seats. She was also echoing what few other AIADMK leaders had said, such as SP Velumani, etc. And apart from that, she also made a remark about how there are certain anti-social elements or persons with criminal background who have come into the party, come into the Tamil Nadu BJP, and that should not be accepted is what she had of course said. So these remarks that Tamilisai Soundararajan made did not go down well with the supporters of Annamalai. Many believe that this was Tamilisai trying to take down Annamalai, and there's a lot of public verbal spat that one can see between the supporters of Annamalai and Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan on social media platforms. And apart from that, even another leader, Kalyan Raman, had openly come out speaking out against Annamalai and his leadership, saying that he's been deceiving the central leadership and making very, very serious allegations also. So in this context, this particular clip, interaction between Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan assumes a lot of significance. Remember, there was a lot of talk, a lot of curiosity to understand whether the Tamil Nadu, the central leadership of the BJP would take any action against Annamalai for the bad performance of the party in the 2024 elections. Because they've not won any seats. Yes, they have increased their vote share to 11%, but they've not won any seat, and Annamalai himself lost the Coimbatore seat. There's a lot of questions on whether the central leadership would continue with Annamalai as the state leader for BJP. So all this, has to be read into that context. And even when the cabinet, portfolios were announced or the ministers were announced, many people speculated that Annamalai could be given a cabinet berth, but he was not given. He was not included in the Council of Ministers as well. So that clearly goes on to show that the central leadership is behind Annamalai, and they are probably giving him yet another long rope because they believe that he is the best bet that they have as far as Tamil Nadu BJP is concerned.
Right. So is this a sign of a leadership tussle between Annamalai and Tamilisai Soundararajan?
Definitely, both are leaders. Tamilisai Soundararajan has worked as the president of the president of Tamil Nadu BJP in the past as well. She's a very senior leader. She has support within the BJP. There is a group that supports her as well. And even with other parties, Tamilisai Soundararajan is a very well-respected leader here in Tamil Nadu, a very senior woman politician as well. Annamalai also, we've seen the manner in which he's been aggressively taking on the DMK ever since he was made the state president for the BJP. He's brought in a lot of fresh energy into the party. The party is more visible. The party is very aggressively taking on the ruling party here, the DMK, the ruling government. So there is, of course, both are leaders with their own political ambitions, and within from the BJP, we do understand that from our sources that there are, of course, issues. There are infighting that is definitely happening within the party. In fact, some of them are unhappy with the manner in which Annamalai has been, running the party, the manner in which he's been taking decisions unilaterally. And that is the reason why probably, Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan also made those comments, and there's a lot of leaders within the BJP who feel the same way, but not many have expressed it, and many believe that, it should not be expressed publicly. It should be taken at the appropriate forum and addressed to the appropriate people. So clearly there is some trouble within the Tamil Nadu BJP, but the central leadership, of course, now trying to step in. In fact, we're being given to understand, or that rather there are reports that Piyush Goyal has asked for a report from Tamil Nadu BJP leaders as to what exactly is happening about the poll performance of the party in Tamil Nadu, what went wrong and what is it that's happening within the party after the results have come out, especially now that certain leaders are speaking out against Annamalai. So clearly the central leadership is apprised of the situation. They are cognizant of what's happening, and that is the reason why many are reading into this particular interaction that Union Home Minister Amit Shah, of course, had with Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan earlier today.
Thank you, Shilpa, for connecting with us. It appears that Tamil Nadu BJP's internal tussle is out in the open. DMK spokesperson A. Saravanan too shared this video on social media platform X and wrote, "What kind of politics is this? Is it right to put a prominent woman politician of Tamil Nadu on stage and express harsh words or threatening body language? Doesn't Amit Shah know that everyone will see this? Very wrong example," he wrote in Tamil. Although it's not confirmed if Shah's reaction was due to these remarks, Soundararajan has yet to comment. Meanwhile, social media continues to buzz with theories and the video remains widely circulated. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.